Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix lag in PUBG. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Game Loop or BlueStacks application on your PC or laptop and log in using your account. Now, in order to fix lagging in PUBG, go to the settings and follow the steps carefully. Go to the Engine Settings tab and change the memory allocation to the half of available RAM. In the processor, select half or less than half of available cores. In order to check the number of cores, go to the Task Manager, click on Performance, and you will be able to see how many cores are present. Then select the value from the drop-down menu. After that, select the resolution and make sure it is set to 720p. Now, go to the Game tab and also change its resolution to 720p. Then, in the graphics, check mark Smooth and select 30 or 40 FPS option, then save it. After that, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Graphics Settings, and the Settings app will open up. Here, click on Browse and choose the Game Loop or target application. Then click on Options button and change its preference to High. And that's how you can fix lag in PUBG. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.